What's up YouTube? It's your girl Sophia RSVP and I'm back with a quick video. Today I want to show you how I took this choice dress that doesn't have the nicest neckline and switched it around to make it look like a really pretty neon gown. Underneath the dress I have this gorgeous bra from Victoria's Secret, and I'm going to stick the dress under the bra straps in order to transform it. Now it zips in the middle, so what I'll be able to do once I pull the straps over my arms and through the dress is pull out each panel by unzipping inside, and watch me while I pull the other panel out. Once I do that, I'm going to zip it up in the middle, pull the inside of the dress down, fix the lining. You'll have these openings at the side where you can camouflage with a different underwear, but that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram. See you in the next one.